OpenAI and Adobe have just signed a historic partnership, a collaboration that could change forever the way we create images and design visuals. At Adobe MAX 2025 in Los Angeles, both tech giants unveiled something groundbreaking. Photoshop and Adobe Express are coming directly to ChatGPT. From now on, you'll simply need to write what you want to create or edit, and ChatGPT will do it for you, powered by Adobe's tools. Imagine typing, remove the background, add a vintage effect, or brighten the face, and watching it happen instantly. A revolution that brings AI closer than ever to the world of creative artistry. At the heart of this innovation lies Firefly, Adobe's AI image generation engine. Unlike other AIs, Firefly relies exclusively on licensed and ethically sourced content, ensuring safe commercial use. That's crucial in an era where the line between human-made and machine-made art grows increasingly blurry. With this integration, you no longer need to be an expert to create professional-level visuals. One sentence is enough to produce high-quality results. Millions of creators will now be able to express their ideas without technical barriers. It's art at the speed of thought, a true democratization of digital creativity. But this evolution also raises questions. Some artists fear an over-standardization of creativity. Others worry about an over-reliance on artificial intelligence. The question is no longer, can we create with AI, but what space is left for the human hand in the creative process? With this partnership, Adobe and OpenAI are redefining the boundary between humans, technology, and imagination. An idea expressed by voice or text can now become an image, a poster, or a work of art in seconds. A major turning point, because from now on, creativity isn't just assisted by AI, it's co-created with it.
Like this video if you enjoyed it.